विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही टँजंट थेरम, कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ टँजंट थेरम आणि टँजंट सेगमेंट थेरम शिकलात. आपण त्याच्यावर आधारित प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 शिकणार आहोत. याच्यात फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे बघा. इन द adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with center C is 6 centimeter. Line AB is the tangent at A. Answer the following questions. In figure AB, line AB is the tangent at point A and a radius is 6 centimeter. This is given. First question is find measure of angle CAB and why. Therefore, I draw the segment CA, joint segment CA. You know, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius, means CA perpendicular to AB by tangent theorem. Therefore, I write here line AB perpendicular to segment CA by tangent theorem. Therefore, this angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Now, second question is what is the distance of point C from line AB and why? Distance of point C from the point A. Here CA is the radius and this radius is given 6 centimeter. Again CA perpendicular to AB means the distance of point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. You write in this way answer. Segment CA perpendicular to line AB by tangent theorem CA is equal to 6 centimeter, radius is given 6 centimeter. Therefore, C is at a distance of 6 centimeter from line AB. Now third sub question, distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter given. Find distance BC. In figure, distance AB 6 centimeter. Again radius 6 centimeter. You find distance BC. What you find? Distance BC. Now the answer in triangle CAB. Angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. By tangent theorem, angle CAB is 90 degree. Therefore, using Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. I write here BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Substitute the values. 6AB 6 its square plus AC also 6 its square. 6 square 36, 6 square 36, sum addition 72. Therefore BC square is equal to 72. Taking square root of both the sides, BC square you write here BC, square root of 72. Now 72 you write in this way, 36 into 2. 36 is a perfect square. Its square root is 6 and square root of 2 as it is. Therefore, distance BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Sub question fourth, angle ABC is equal to what? Why? Now in figure, where is angle ABC? Angle ABC. You find the measure of this angle ABC and why. In figure, AC AB are equal, two sides are equal, means this triangle is an isosceles triangle, and you know the isosceles triangle theorem, if two sides are congruent, then it opposite angles also congruent. Hence I write here AC is equal to AB, each is 6 centimeter. AC, its opposite angle is angle ABC, and AB angle ACB. In figure, AC, its opposite angle ABC, AB, its opposite angle ACB are the equals by isosceles triangle theorem. Let angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x degree. In triangle ABC, you know the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Hence I write here angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. Angle ABC x degree, angle ACB x degree, and angle CAB 90 degree. From this angle ABC is equal to angle ACB x degree, I substitute the values ABC, ACB, XX, and angle CAB 90 degree. Now next step. Here x plus x 2x degree plus 90 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. You transfer this 90. Therefore 2x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore x is equal to 90 degree divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to 45 degree. Value of x is 45 degree. Therefore angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x degree. Now last you write the answers of all sub questions. Angle CAB 90 degree. C is at a distance of 6 centimeter from line AB. Distance BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. And fourth, angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Now next question is question number 2. Figure is given. In the figure, length OR 10 centimeter and radius 5 centimeter is given. MR, NR are the tangent segments are given. From that, first question, sub question, what is the length of each tangent segment? Means you find MR and NR. What is the measure of angle MRO? What is the measure of angle MRN? Now you write here given solution. Draw segment OM, segment ON. The first question is length of each tangent segments, means you find here MR, NR. In triangle OMR, here OR is 10 given and radius means OM 5 centimeter given. Therefore I write in this way, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree by tangent theorem, means this triangle is a right angle triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. Here OR is the hypotenuse, hence I write OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square by Pythagoras theorem. OR is 10 given, its square, therefore 10 square. This is equal to OM is 5 given, therefore 5 OM square, its square plus MR square. 10 square 100, 5 square 25 plus MR square. Therefore you find here value of MR mr square is equal to 100 minus 25. You transfer this 25 at this side. 100 minus 25, this is equal to 75. mr square is equal to 75. Therefore, mr is equal to, taking square root, mr is equal to square root of 75. This is equal to, you also write this, 25 into 3. 25 3s are 75. And 25 square root is 5. And this root 3. mr is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter, taking square roots of both the sides. Therefore, here, you know, the tangent segment drawn from an external point are equal in length or congruent. Here, r is an external point. You find here 5 root 3 tangent segment. Therefore, nr also 5 root 3 by tangent segment theorem. Hence, I write here mr is equal to nr is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Therefore, last answer, length of each tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Second sub question, angle MRO. You find here, in triangle MOR, OM 5, OR 10. Hence I write here OM 5 centimeter, OR 10 centimeter. Angle OMR 90 degree by tangent theorem, means triangle OMR is a right angle triangle. Therefore, from these two segments OM5 OR 10, you write OM is equal to 1/2 into OR. From here OM is equal to 5, OR is equal to 10. Therefore, this OM is equal to 1/2 into OR. Here, angle opposite to side OM in figure, OM, its opposite angle is R. Angle opposite to side OM is equal to angle MRO. Hence, I write here angle MRO. Therefore, angle MRO is equal to 30 degree, converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. You know that the side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Similarly, here MRO 30 degree, NRO also 30 degree. NRO is equal to 30 degree. Now third question, sub question, angle MRN. In figure, angle MRN, this is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO by angle addition postulate. This angle MRO, this is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO by angle addition postulate. 30 degree plus 30 degree, 60 degree. You write the answer in this way. Angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO, angle addition postulate. 30 degree plus 30 degree, this is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, last you write the answer. Length of each tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Second, angle MRO 30 degree, and third, angle MRN is equal to 60 degree.